Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman today hailed the State Bank of India for their unmatched growth story. Speaking at the centenary celebration of Mumbai main branch building of the SBI in Mumbai, the Finance Minister recounted that three presidency banks that were amalgamated together to make the Imperial Bank of India, which at present has become the SBI, had 250 branches in the 1920s, and today the SBI has over 22,500 branches, 65,000 ATMs, 85,000 banking correspondents and over 50 crore customers. She also noted that the SBI is the only bank in India listed in the Fortune 500.
Indeed, itself has grown to becoming 22,500 branches, and I understand another 500 branches are going to be opened in this year, financial year 25. So 23,000 branches today, 65,000 ATMs, 85,000 banking correspondents, deposits are 24%, 22.4%, advances are 19%, 50 crore plus customers.
A divisional level Dak Adalat